In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend video length in Canva. To get started, open your design in Canva and make sure the video project you want to edit is already loaded. Once you're inside the editor, look down at the timeline area because that's where you'll control the length of your video clip. Next, select the video on the timeline. This is important because Canva needs to know which clip you want to adjust before it gives you the editing options. When the clip is selected, you'll usually see handles or visible edges around it in the timeline, which makes it easier to modify the duration. From there, drag either end of the video clip in the timeline to extend its duration. This method works if there's more footage available in the original clip. In other words, if the video has unused content that isn't currently showing in your design, Canva may let you reveal more of it by extending the clip from the beginning or the end. This is the quickest and most natural way to make the video longer, since it keeps the playback speed the same. If dragging the clip doesn't give you the extra length you need, there's another option you can use. Go to the top toolbar and click Edit. This will open the video editing panel on the left side. In that panel, scroll until you find video speed. Once you see it, use the slider and drag it to the left. Lowering the speed will make the video play more slowly, which increases the total duration. Just keep in mind that this method changes how the video looks in motion. Slowing a clip down can be useful if you want a more dramatic or extended effect, but it will also make movement appear slower than normal. So if your goal is simply to show more footage, extending the clip in the timeline is usually the better first option. If your goal is to make the same footage last longer, then adjusting the video speed is the right tool. And that's it. Those are the two simple ways to extend video length in Canva. Either drag the clip longer when extra footage is available, or slow the video down using the video speed control. Once you've made your changes, preview the video to make sure the timing feels right and the final result matches what you want.